In the sprawling expanse of Delhi, where ancient traditions clash with the rush of modernity, a tale of profound horror emerged from the shadows. It was here, amidst the hum of daily life and the ceaseless rhythm of the city, that Shraddha Walkar's life was tragically cut short. Her story, marked by hope and ambition, would soon become a chilling reminder of the darkness that can lurk beneath the veneer of normalcy. Shraddha Walkar, at 27, embodied the essence of youthful exuberance. Her life, seemingly filled with promise and joy, was a testament to her optimism. She was a beacon of warmth, her laughter infectious and her spirit unyielding. From intimate gatherings with friends to peaceful strolls under the canopy of a sunlit park, she seemed to navigate life with a grace that suggested her path was paved with happiness. But beneath this outward tranquility, a storm was brewing, one that would shatter her world and send ripples of horror through the very heart of Delhi. What began as a promising romance between Shraddha and Aftab Amin Poonawalla soon revealed a sinister undercurrent. The relationship, initially filled with mutual affection, began to fray at the edges, unveiling a darker side. Aftab, who once seemed the epitome of a caring partner, slowly revealed his true nature. His behavior, marked by manipulation and emotional control, cast a long shadow over their once bright love. The subtle signs of distress, unsettling arguments, and a growing emotional chasm began to mar the idyllic image they had once shared. Their love story, once vibrant, now seemed to descend into a realm of psychological torment and disillusionment. In a fit of uncontrollable rage, Aftab's actions turned fatal. The man Shraddha had once trusted with her life became her executioner. In the cruel twist of fate, the love she had cherished was replaced by an unimaginable brutality. Her life was snuffed out in a moment of savage violence, her existence extinguished by the very person she had believed would offer her safety and companionship. The gravity of this act was not just in its execution, but in the betrayal it embodied. A betrayal that saw the person who was supposed to be her protector become her destroyer. The aftermath of Shraddha's murder unfolded with a grim and relentless pursuit of justice. Aftab, in his cold and calculated manner, sought to obliterate all evidence of his crime. He dismembered Shraddha's body, scattering the remains across Delhi in a macabre attempt to erase his actions from memory. Yet, the enormity of his crime could not remain hidden forever. The investigation, driven by an unwavering commitment to uncover the truth, began to piece together the fragments of a grotesque puzzle. Police officers, with meticulous attention to detail, combed through every lead, scrutinized every piece of evidence, and followed every trail. As days turned into weeks, the fragments of truth began to emerge from the shadows, revealing the horrifying reality of Aftab's actions. As the investigation gained momentum, the scale of Aftab's cruelty became ever clearer. His attempt to erase Shraddha from existence was met with a relentless pursuit of justice from law enforcement. The city's collective resolve to bring him to account for his actions was mirrored in the determination of the investigative teams. The horror of Shraddha Walkar's murder reverberated far beyond the confines of her apartment. As the grim details of the crime surfaced, they struck a chord with the nation. Delhi, a city known for its vibrant pulse and relentless pace, was suddenly infused with a palpable sense of outrage and sorrow. Citizens took to the streets, their voices rising in a collective cry for justice. Candlelight vigils illuminated the night, not only as a tribute to Shraddha but also as a poignant symbol of the community's demand for accountability. The nation's heart ached with every new revelation, as the public grappled with the chilling reality of what had occurred. What was once a quiet city now echoed with calls for retribution and a determination to ensure that such a tragedy would not be forgotten. The courtroom became the stage for a dramatic and intense chapter in this tragic saga. The trial of Aftab Amin Poonawalla unfolded like a somber play, where the evidence against him was as damning as it was heart-wrenching. Each day brought new revelations, gruesome details, expert testimonies, and a relentless media spotlight that left no stone unturned. Yet amidst the flood of information and the search for justice, profound questions remained unanswered. How could such a heinous crime have been prevented? What signs had been missed, and what lessons could be drawn from this tragedy? The trial revealed not just the horror of Aftab's actions, but also the systemic and societal failures that allowed such a tragedy to unfold. The courtroom drama was a powerful reminder of the need for vigilance and the importance of addressing the darker aspects of human relationships before they escalate into violence. The psychological aftermath of Shraddha's murder cast a long shadow over those who knew and loved her. The pain inflicted on her family and friends was profound and enduring. The trauma of her loss echoed through their lives, altering their reality in ways that no one could have anticipated. Support groups and counseling sessions became vital sources of solace and understanding, as those affected sought to navigate their grief and make sense of the senseless. The psychological impact extended beyond the immediate circle of her loved ones, touching the broader community and prompting a deeper reflection on the nature of violence and the urgent need for comprehensive mental health support. The struggle to find peace in the wake of such a tragedy was a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the importance of community solidarity in times of crisis. As the legal proceedings progressed, the search for justice remained a constant and driving force. Investigators, legal experts, and activists continued to push for a resolution, their efforts underscored by a collective desire to ensure that Shraddha's story did not fade into obscurity. The pursuit of justice became a symbol of hope and determination, as the community rallied together to support the cause. The quest for closure was not just about holding Aftab accountable, but also about honoring Shraddha's memory and ensuring that such a tragedy would prompt meaningful change. As the sun rises over Delhi, the city continues to grapple with the shadows cast by Shraddha Walkar's tragic story. The echoes of her life and the impact of her loss resonate deeply within the fabric of the community. Her story serves as a stark reminder of the need for vigilance, empathy, and action. In the pursuit of justice and the quest for understanding, there lies a glimmer of hope that such tragedies can be prevented in the future. Shraddha's legacy is one of both sorrow and strength, a poignant reflection of the fragility of life and the enduring power of the human spirit.